Hello and welcome to A Look Inside. I'm Josh Stuck. Telecom students with Newport News Public Schools recently won the Occupational Health and Safety Scrapbook State Competition for Skills USA. Michael McClellan, Seth Hersey, and Gerald Bailey will compete at the national competition in Louisville, Kentucky in June. Brandon Hedgepeth also contributed to the project. Congratulations and good luck at nationals. Tiger Woods finally broke through. Woods won the Masters for the 5th time in his career. It has been 14 years since he won his last Masters. Woods has now won 15 major titles and is only 3 short of Jack Nicklaus. He also recorded his 81st victory on the PGA Tour and is 1 title away from the record held by Sam Snead. I'm Josh Stuck, and this has been A Look Inside.